The objective of Battleship is to sink all of your opponent's ships before they sink yours. To begin, each player grabs a battleship box and secretly arranges their 5 ships on the lower grid. Every ship must be completely on the grid and cannot be placed diagonally or overlapping another ship. Once this is done, Player 1 takes a shot. To take a shot, name a square on the upper grid using the letter and number coordinates. For example, the square in the top left corner is A1, as it is in the row labeled A and in the column labeled 1. Player 2 then looks at the coordinates on their lower grid. If the coordinates denote any empty square, Player 2 says, miss. Player 1 should put a white peg in their upper grid at the coordinates to show there is nothing there. If the coordinates denote a white square with part of a ship on it, Player 2 says, hit. Then, Player 1 places a red peg in their upper grid at those coordinates, and Player 2 places a red peg on the spot of their ship that was hit. Regardless of whether a shot was a hit or a miss, the next player will then take a shot. When every square of a ship gets hit, the player who placed that ship says, "You sunk my ship." The game ends when somebody sinks all of their opponent's ships.